What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today is the day that the Oreo 6s release. So I'm super excited. I actually didn't check out, obviously, my go-to. If you watch previous videos, Snipes, I haven't really checked that out. As of yet, I didn't call prior. So normally I would call prior, but you know, it's around like 1-ish. I got off a little bit, work a little bit early. So I was like, let me just shoot on down there without actually calling first. So we're gonna go in there. To be honest, I think when it comes to sneakers, Jordans in particular, I don't think that, you know, a lot of them are selling out. So even though it's back to school, so I'm hoping to go in and secure a pair. If not, you already know that JD Sports is down there. You know, we at the infamous Jamaica Center. So, oh yeah, and then actually stay tuned, right? Because I'm actually going to do a review on this video. But after I get the sneakers, I'm gonna do my hair appointment and, you know, get my hair cut and all of that. So you're gonna see the transformation. Because right now we looking a little bit, you know, we looking a little bit rough or whatever the case might be. So once a month, got my appointment booked, and hopefully we get these pair of sneakers. Well, I think we will. So, you know, in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna get these sneakers, and then, you know, when you see me and I actually do the review, I'm gonna look put together. You know, I'm gonna look put together. So with that being said, I'm out.
This is the moment of truth. Oh, absolutely.
What's up, YouTube? I am back. As you can see, obviously, we got the hair retwisted, fresh. Then we got to shape up. Really long day, but nevertheless, here to do a review. But, right? Did somebody say Oreos? It's August 7th. Yeah. Definitely. If you watch my prior videos, you already know that my first go-to is Snipes. And if you watch my live from earlier, you already know I unbox these on the live. So it's not like a real live reaction or what have you, but they've been doing Jordan, the box face, the OG box, which I kind of like, to be honest. But they've been doing that, the face box, for a minute. But here it is. We have the Oreo 6s, right? Clean shoe. For me, I felt like this shoe was very, you know, simplistic in my opinion, or what have you, because it's like colors like black and white, so to speak. But nevertheless, like the amount of detail that went into the shoe, and what I really like is the whole speckle type look. Always whenever they throw some speckles on it, they got me sold. The amount of detail that goes into that, and then not only that, I just feel like it goes so cool with the whole black and white. I don't know, it just reminds me of a composition notebook. So I mean, I guess a lot of kids didn't get it because it's back to school and they did not sell out. I didn't get it. I didn't pick it up till like 1-ish or what have you. But anyway, it was like literally, I just feel like sneakers nowadays, correct me if I'm wrong, like they're so much easier to pick up. I think the only sneaker that was difficult to get was the Wolf Gray 5s. Yeah, I think the Wolf Grays was like the most difficult shoe to get this year. But other than that, like I just feel like, and I'm not going there early in the morning. I'm going there after work and just really walking in and out, right? I'm not dealing with lines or anything like that. But obviously we got the icy type sole, which is kind of like a blessing and a curse. And if you actually, you know, are into sneakers, and if you know, you know, because after a while it ages. But nevertheless, we got the black Jumpman on the bottom. But absolutely, anytime they throw ice on the soles, it does something to me. This is what it looks like. I'll show you what it looked like in a year's time. But nevertheless, love the lace lock. Obviously, the handy dandy lace lock, which also is speckles. with the Jumpman Jordan on it. And then we got on the inside, we have that. And then we got the nubuck, which I absolutely love. This shoe right here has literally a variety of materials, right? We got the mesh right there with the Jumpman Jordan. Then we got that nubuck feel. And then, of course, the speckles. I feel like, to be honest, this right here, the speckles in and of itself, I feel like the amount of detail in that, I think the speckles in and of itself had me sold. But nevertheless, I give this shoe a 10 out of 10. I feel like the amount of detail, the fact that this is not patent leather, but it's a nubuck feel, very, very buttery for sure. But absolutely, I saw the lace swap, so I'm definitely doing a lace swap on these. I saw the lace swap with the black. I feel like it looks 100 times better. And of course, we got to loosen this up, but 100 times better with the black laces. Let me know if you copped or dropped it. Let me know if you didn't get it, why you didn't get it, right? You felt like, I don't know, it's a black and white shoe. It's so easy to style. I'm probably going to let it sit for a little bit. And then on the inside, so soft. Look at the material. It flushes out even to the back, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so let me know if you got it. Let me know if you didn't get it. Let me know what sneaker you're looking forward to. But anyway, for me, this gets a 10 out of 10. The amount of detail, I felt like this was a really well put together sneaker for sure. And then I'm surprised a lot of people didn't really get it for the mere fact it's black and white. Like, I mean, this literally is one of the most easiest sneakers to actually line up. But I think I'm going to add it to an addition of sneakers that are sitting until I could actually bring out something that I find is worth wearing with. But also, I'm actually, right, this is something that I ordered from Rockstar. Actually, Rockstar, if you know my other videos, Rockstar is one of my favorite brands. And I never pulled this out. You know, I ordered it for the summertime specifically, but it had the speckles on it. So I was like, oh, okay, so I could actually throw these on with this and give you guys a quick fit check. And then maybe wear this in the near future because obviously it's dirty now. But nevertheless, hopefully everybody, I'm actually going to go in. I'm going to edit. I think I'm going to have this up tomorrow. Don't quote me. That's on Sunday. If not Sunday, definitely Monday. I think I'm going to do the whole premiere feature type anything. The whole premiere feature or what have you. We'll see. But stay tuned because I'm actually going to just throw these on real quick. And then I'm going to do a little famous spin just to show you what I'm rocking with. And how this will look on feet, so to speak. So with that being said, I'm out. Take it easy.